This is Anjana Babar.
Thank you, Khushbu. Namaste and a very good afternoon to all our distinguished guests, students, parents, families, friends, art lovers and invited guests. It's my privilege to welcome you most cordially at the first annual dance concert of Jeevan Gopal Dance Academy, JGGA Fest 2013, which is happening today on the Vijayadashmi day and on the Thanksgiving weekend. So very happy Dussehra to all of you all and a very happy Thanksgiving to all of you all. Wow, when I started learning dance, this day seemed so far away. And now that it's here, I just can't believe how time passed. Every morning when I wake up, I offer a prayer of gratitude for the delight and the opportunities that I've had and that I'm having, that I can pursue my passion and I can share my passion. I'm so grateful to my guru, Sri Rajendra Manji, who gave me everything that I know of dancing today. He believed in me and I thank him for igniting that fire in me that I can pass it on. I cannot move ahead without expressing my gratitude to my second homeland, Canada, who gave me this opportunity that I have this platform of Jeevan Gopal Dance Academy and I'm sharing my passion through this platform. So thank you, Canada, and thank you, India. This academy is a tribute to my parents, Jeevan Malhotra and Gopal Malhotra. My parents, my mom and dad. So they are the reason I'm into dancing. They supported me despite all odds, financial, social, they supported me. And not just supported their little girls, they invested in their little girls' dreams that today I could do whatever I wanted to do. So thank you, Mama, and thank you, Papa. Our dance academy is all about celebrating the joy of dancing. So tonight you're going to see, we're going to take you on a danceified journey and you're going to see dances ranging from devotional, mystical, semi-classical, classical, Bollywood. We'll take you down south, Tollywood. We'll take you up north, Bhangra, and we'll take you across the borders through our Arabic and Spanish dancing. So we have a lot for you. I hope you all enjoy as much as we did putting it together for you. Our dance academy has grown tremendously over the past 2 years and I wish to acknowledge the support I have received from the Sri Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir of Edmonton and the Bharati Culture Society of Edmonton. So thank you so much. Thank you. It gives me immense pleasure to say that this event is a culmination of a collective, enormous effort put together by all the students, parents, families and friends who came together. Anjana ji, do you need something? Anjana ji, we're there to help you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming together and making it happen for me. Thank you. To all the students, friends, parents, volunteers who made this big day happen for me. I wish to acknowledge our very generous sponsors, CanCom Development Limited, Choice Tours and Travels, Dr. Sandeep Dhaliwal of Maple Dental Clinic, Charan Kang of My Beauty Concepts, All India Restaurant and Suites, David Waldner Photography. I'm so thankful. Without your help, this wouldn't have been possible. So thank you, sponsors. I'm also very grateful for the media support from Ashok Uncle, Ashok Gangwani ji, Harjeet Sandhu ji of Watan TV, Gurpalinder Singh Sandhu ji of Des Pardes Times, PTC Channel, Yash Sharma ji of Asian Tribune, and Arnin Chu of Millwoods Mosaic. Thank you, Praful Bhai and Vasanti Ben, for your help, love, and blessings. Thank you so much. I do wish to express my heartfelt thanks to my brothers, Neeraj Malhotra, Sachin Malhotra, and my sister-in-law, Rimpal Malhotra. They have contributed immensely in making this day possible for me. Last but not the least, I want to convey a big thank you to my 2 boys, my husband Dev, and my son Ishan, who keep working tirelessly behind the scenes. Without their unconditional love and support, cooperation, this wouldn't have been possible for me. I couldn't have come this far without their support. So thank you, Jidev, and thank you, Ishan. I want to extend a very big thank you to our very charming hostess, Khushbu Punjabi today, who agreed to host the show. So thank you, Khushbu. Hope you enjoyed this show. And before we move ahead, I just need to check the noise levels in the house. Could you give me a big round of applause? been with me for over 2 years. Some of them have joined me just a few weeks ago. So all of them are going to be here celebrating the joy of dancing. Thank you so much, Mr. Sohail Qadri, for being here today. Thank you so much, Mr. Amarjit Sohi and Sarabjit, for being here today. Thank you so much. And I would like to pass on the mic to now Khushbu. Thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it.